In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shop icon on Etsy. If you're starting your Etsy journey, setting up your shop icon is one of the fundamental steps you'll need to take, and I'm here to walk you through this process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to your shop manager. Now, for those who are new to Etsy, the shop manager is essentially your hub for managing everything related to your Etsy shop. It's conveniently located on the top right corner of your Etsy homepage. You'll want to click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Shop Manager. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the Shop Manager, the next step is to click on Edit Shop. You can think of the Edit Shop section as the place where you'll personalize your storefront. This is where customers get their first impression of your brand, so it's important to set it up thoughtfully. Simply find the Edit Shop button within the Shop Manager menu and give it a click. Now it's time to upload your shop icon. Your shop icon is like the face of your brand on Etsy, and it's visible each time someone visits your shop or sees your shop name in the marketplace. In the Edit Shop section, you'll see an option to upload an image. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose a file from your computer to upload as your shop icon. Make sure to select a clear and visually appealing image that represents your brand well. Etsy recommends a square image that is at least 500 by 500 pixels to ensure it displays nicely. With the shop icon uploaded, the final step is to save your changes. The Save button is located towards the bottom of the screen, and clicking it will commit your upload, ensuring your shop icon is live for everyone to see. It's a good idea to revisit your shop and double-check that the icon looks just right and displays properly. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a shop icon to your Etsy shop. Remember, a well-chosen icon is more than just an image. It's an essential piece of your shop identity that can help attract potential buyers and convey the vibe of your brand. So take your time in selecting something that truly represents what you're all about. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides and Etsy tips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!